Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I'll be honest, I stole this idea off of my Facebook page. Somebody posted a video, but I thought I'd show you how to draw these two cups. This is like a medicine grinding bowl. Can't think of the name of it right now. Just a simple cup that looks like it's on edge, and there's a lot you could do with this. So we're just going to draw an ellipse, but elongated ellipse, and let's make it 6 inches. Now we're going to Control D and make a duplicate, and we're going to bring in that one and hit P. Okay, I must not have put P on the center of the page on both of them. Now he brought his all the way to the edge, and I'm not going to. I'm going to take that center one. I'm going to change my nudge factor or something pretty low, and I'm just going to, looks like I've got the big one. There we go. I'm just going to bring it up a little bit so we've got a little bit of an edge. Now, remember this ellipse is 6 inches. So we're going to take another ellipse and hold down the control button and get a perfect ellipse. And we'll make it 6 inches. And we're going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. Whoa. Now, if we take the Smart Fill tool, we fill that in and change that to a different black. And then you can always left click no fill and you've got a bowl. Now I would probably even think about making an outline around the bottom just to have it, and you could make it any width, any line width. I'm using somebody else's program. I normally use them points. And there you go. Now to make this cup, let's just back up here and make this cup with the exact same one. But instead of ellipse, we're going to draw a 6-inch rectangle. Make it 6 inches wide. Hit P, put it in the center of the page. We can actually move it down, holding down the control button, make it a little bit longer. Now we're going to convert it to a curve. So we need to go to Object, Convert to Curve, grab our nodes, and we're going to change let's go 0.25. Just put a little bit of a taper on it. Well, you know what? That is not going to work. I need to hit P, put it in the center of the page just to make it exactly. We can elongate it later. But this way, if we move this 1 click, 2 clicks, 1 click, 2 clicks, then we have to move the outside 1 click, 2 click. And that's why you need to be in the middle. So you could have made the cup quite a bit longer, but that's beside the point. Now we need this ring to look like the ring on the bottom. So let's take this ring, Control D and make a duplicate, holding down the control button. And I forgot how many clicks, but you can always take your parallel dimension tool and measure from that node to that node. And of course it's 5 inches, we moved it in an inch. So take your ellipse and change this to 5. Take away your virtual segment elite key, take away those 2 lines. Use your Smart Fill tool, and voila, you have a glass with a tapered bottom. Anyway, kind of a fun project. I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.